Look at your headlines. Mike is talking money.
All right, thank you very much, Sarah. Yes, we are with Stewart Welch with the Welch Group. We're talking Money Tuesday. We're going to talk about some college investments just shortly, but first of all, we got to talk about the markets because they've been in the red lately, taking some big hits. Should people be panicking? Is this a huge pullback, just a correction? What do we got here?
Don't panic. So that's the main thing is don't panic. Yeah, this is, the market had a huge run last year. It's actually had a nice run for the last 3 or 4 years. And so it is not unusual for the market to retrace, and I think that's what we're doing. The most important thing is that the long-term outlook, 3 to 5 years, really favors the stock market over anything else, bonds. Okay. And I would look at this as an opportunity to invest money. So I'm scrambling around trying to find cash to invest in the market. That's your best move.
All right, let's talk about investing for college plans. We know with the PAC plan, we know the issues that it had in years past, and now Alabama, of course, has improved their 529 plan. So talk about that. Should people worry about what happened with PAC with the Alabama 529 plan?
Well, Mike, I get this question a lot because people got burned with the PAC plan. It is completely different. Under the PAC plan, the state of Alabama actually pooled the money. So you sent your money in, it was mixed with everybody else's money, and they were essentially the trustee, and they had some unfortunate situations there. This is completely different. This is your money. You open up your account, you set it up in your brokerage firm, and I have no concern about bankruptcy or mismanagement of this. It is generally in mutual funds, stocks, and bonds, so there's some market risk.
Administrative fees, expense ratios can really eat away at some of your college investment, increases. So talk about the Alabama 529 plan in terms of that.
Well, the Alabama plan, the state charges 1/4% to run the plan, which I think is very reasonable. The second thing, but you do have to pay attention to expenses. So the next thing is the mutual funds. So the mutual funds have their own fees, and you want to generally stay with lower fees. And if you want to keep it at the lowest level in the Alabama plan, that's going to be through the Vanguard funds, and they're charging about 0.3% to do that. So both of those, if you do those two, your fees are going to be really, really well managed.
And I will say the Alabama 529 plan, since they've added the Vanguard options, the ratings on our plan has actually increased over other states. It wasn't the best before. Real quickly, okay, so there are a lot of investment options on the 529 plan here in Alabama. Which ones do you like the most?
Well, I tell you, for a lot of people, they're not that comfortable with investing. So what Vanguard has done is they put together age-based plans. And these age-based plans, real simply, are you put your money in, and as your child gets closer to college, the mutual fund manager is automatically making it more conservative. So they're doing all the work for you.
Okay. Stewart Welch from the Welch Group, thank you so much. WelchGroup.com if you want more information. I appreciate it. All right, Molly.